Polish food. Pierogi. This is pierogi. It's not good though. So we don't want problems. We want peace. Don't say it again. Bubu. Dzień dobry.
Dobra. Poproszę o podpisanie zgody. Można tutaj.
Okay.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Go, 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 go. Oh no.
I hope they have food. I want to pee. Food though.
Nie.
Teraz będzie ważne, ale spać się nie przejdzie.
Polish food. Pierogi. This is pierogi. Pierogi. He said something and I go and take the food.
Good.
What is the pierogi? Ah. Pierogi. What is this one?
What, this? Beetroot? Beetroot? Yes, beetroot.
Pierogi.
In Polish, buraczkiem.
Very nice sometimes. Yummy. Can't eat.
Sure.
Yummy.
No.
What did you say you want? Say it again.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
God forbid. All of this for me.
Yes.
Thank God.